Today we'll be installing solar panels. I have 4 100-watt panels I'm going to install. So I'm installing them 2S, 2P, so 2 series, 2 pair. And let's get to it. So I got a 400-watt setup, 4 panels, and I had to build up. The panels wouldn't clear the ribs, so I had to make some plastic standoff pieces. I got butyl tape both sides. Got all the brackets on, ready to go. Let's get them installed. I'll put you guys up top here so you can kind of see what we're doing, and then I'll bring you up top when I hook up all the wires together. Let's put you up top here. I set one panel in. I don't have anything connected up or screwed down. I just was looking for a good location.
Set her free. I taught her how to leave. 18 in the summer, man, it feels like yesterday, when she was looking out that window on the bus to 2nd grade. The first step she'd ever take, the first cut from a heartbreak. Been through it all, but now.
So the first time I wired the panels, I wired all 4 panels in series, and I did some research and found out if it got down to 15 degrees, then it would be too much voltage for the controller to handle. So then I pulled the ridge cap back off and wired them 2 series, 2 pair, and it'd be much safer that way.
Become the woman she would be. The thing that I forgot would set her free. I taught her how to leave.
Okay, solar panels are installed, bridge caps installed, roof flashing. Everything's sealed up tight. Now there's a couple stickers on the panels, but they were real tough to get off, so I figure the sun and weather will take those off. Solar panels are installed on the roof. Now it's time to run the wires, charging wires. Put these plastic snap ties that go on either side of the stud that protect the wire. You can run the wire through there from getting chafed on the metal.
Hear that two-tone humming, headed out to the highway. I should have seen it coming.
Okay, down here is kind of a work in process. It's kind of tough to see from the time lapse. But I got power from the battery to the fuse into the controller, and then the wires from the solar panel coming down through their fuse and into the controller. The controller's reading 13.2 volts. I'm using LifeBolt 100 amp hour batteries. I'm gonna eventually put 4 of them in here, but right now I have 2. So that's it for the solar install. Next video will be electrical on the inside and finishing the electrical in this cabinet here. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.